Welcome to a powerful look at how discipline shapes not just your body, but the entire life you want to build. We're going to break down the hard truth about achievement, growth, and living up to your full potential. Most people desperately chase results and transformation. But here's the painful reality. Very few are willing to embrace the discipline required to earn. They want the transformation, the success, and the glow-up. But they aren't willing to endure the alarm clock ringing at 5 a.m. or the sacrifice of comfort. True discipline comes down to a few core concepts. It's simple, but not easy. When you face resistance, whether in the gym or in life, the equation is binary. You either lift the weight or you don't. There's no in-between. Discipline is not just about achieving a visual goal, like abs. It's about setting a standard for yourself and refusing to drop below it. It's a promise kept. Every single time you push past your perceived limit, every representative you fight for, you are actively rewiring your identity from someone who wishes to someone who executes. Let's explore how this commitment in the gym translates into power in every other area of your life. The output of focused effort is energy, which acts as your currency. And the physical and mental strength you build gives you the leverage to seize opportunities. The reliability of your self-discipline creates an unbreakable confidence. And that confidence, in turn, opens up doors to opportunities you never thought possible. Your body and your future aren't built in a single day. They are built through unrelenting daily consistency. The small choices add up massively over time. The journey of growth is overcoming resistance, constantly reminding yourself that success is built one rep, one choice, and one day at a time. The hardest part of any major achievement isn't the workout itself, it's the decision to start. You must stop negotiating with that internal voice that only seeks comfort. Motivation is a fleeting emotion, a spark. But discipline? Discipline is the unwavering fire that stays burning long after motivation has faded. Sometimes you won't feel like showing up. Sometimes it feels impossible. But in those moments, remember the simple command: do it anyway. Discipline extends beyond the gym floor. You must train with purpose, eat with intention, and rest with strategic recovery for total transformation. When you commit to strengthening your body and your habits, you raise your standards across the board. When you rise, everything rises with you. Every single workout is more than just exercise. It is a solemn promise that you kept to yourself. Honor that commitment. The choices you make, the early mornings you endure, and the weights you conquer, these things set you apart. You are not meant to be average. Remember, discipline builds the body. And more importantly, discipline builds the exceptional, successful life you want.